guys, I'm Miss Velchek. I am going to talk about Kami today. Kami is a way that we can interact with our text digitally, and we can turn it in through Canvas. So first things first, we're going to look at the assignment for Avid contracts. Our learning target, I can use Kami to digitally mark a text. I can identify questions and concerns I have about the Legend Avid contract. You're going to go, these are all directions written out. Same thing that I'm going to go over with you verbally here. If you go to the bottom, it says it's expired. Fantastic. Okay, if you go to the bottom, you'll find Load Avid Contract in a new window. Now, if you're looking at this for another class, it'll say load whatever the document is called for the class. So go ahead and click on that. And it's going to open up in Kami. Move my window over a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I want to mark my text. So I'm going to click on Markup. I want to make sure that I have the text highlighter clicked. It's that very first one. And I'm going to start in green. Okay, and I'm going to look through this contract and I'm going to see what are things that I strongly agree with. So here, previously I highlighted that I can maintain at least a 2.0 GPA. I agree with that. And I also, I think being an active learner is really important. So I'm going to highlight that, active learner. Okay, and it turns green. But I saw some stuff up here that I really disagree with. Well, right here, I will participate in extracurricular activities. I really disagree with that. So I'm going to pick pink for disagree. Disagree, and this community service part, I really disagree with that. So I'm going to highlight that as well. And then I'm going to use yellow for questions. So I'm just going to change the color of the pen that I have. I'm going to click on the yellow. And I have a question. It talks about a TRF pre-work, and I don't know what that is. So I want to make sure and ask a question about that. Okay. So then you're going to do the same thing as you continue to go through. You can go through this multiple times. If you submit it, which I'm going to have to look and see what that looks like from your view. When you submit it, it'll say it's done. And if you go back and go, oh, but I'm really not done, you can click undo and that's fine. It'll do that. But now I want to go in and I want to talk a little bit more about my questions that I have in yellow, those things that I don't quite understand. So if I earn an F in any class, I'll be placed on probation. And right here, I wrote a question. What is probation? And can I be taken off probation and still stay in Avid? My other question is down here with TRF pre-work. So I'm going to come over to my bar on the far left. I'm going to click on comment right under markup. So comment, I want to insert a text comment. And then I have to pick a question. I'm going to pick yellow because I highlighted it in yellow, but if you want to do something different, you can. So right here, I don't know, what does TRF stand for? And I don't know what is TRF pre-work. Okay. So there's that. Go through the entire document and finish that. Maybe this will work.